Standard 3rd, Subject English, Topic Composition. Subtopic, yes, it's a Holi. So student, today in this video, we are going to talk about a colorful festival, that is Holi. Okay. Wow, what you can see here students. So colorful pictures you can see. Yes, people you can see in the first picture, they all are in colors. So many colors you can see: green, blue, red, orange, pink, yes, yellow, all the color. Yes, and you can see here, yes, the people are also playing with the color. So the color of festival, which festival? Yes, it's a Holi. So let us talk today in this video about the festival of colors, that is Holi. So student, now let's see the conversation between two children here. They were talking about the Holi, okay? So here, Raj. Hi Sonu. Sonu, you look so colorful. What happened to you? Then the Raj. Thanks. What is going on student here? What Sonu said here to Raj. Sonu, what happened to you? You look so colorful. Then what is the reply of Raj? He said thanks. Then Raj said, I was at Holi, the Hindu festival of colors. What the Raj is telling student here? I was at Holi. He was playing the Holi. What is that Holi? The Holi is the Hindu festival of colors. Then what Sonu said? Raj, so what's Holi about? What is asking? Raj, what's Holi about? Raj, it marks the beginning of spring, and there is a story about Hiranyakashipu, an evil king. Sonu, really? So student, what the Raj is telling here? It marks the beginning of spring, and there is a story about Hiranyakashipu. He has an evil king. Okay, so Sonu said, oh really? So student, here you can see the picture of a Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was an evil king. He had special powers that made him nearly invisible, and he wanted everyone in his kingdom to worship him. So student, Hiranyakashipu was an evil king. He had a special power. You know which power? That he can be invisible, and he wanted everyone in his kingdom to work like a servant. Okay, now see here the next. See like this. And he was so powerful, he started to act like God and punished or killed anyone who disobey him. So student, you know, he was so powerful that he started to act like a God and punished or killed anyone who will not do the work, or who will not listen to him. Okay, and he will started kill them. Then here you can see student. So student, here Hiranyakashipu had a son called Prahlad. Prahlad disobeyed his father and worshipped Vishnu instead of him. So his father planned to kill him. Student, you know what happened here? Hiranyakashipu had a son. What is his name? His name is Prahlad. You know what happened? Prahlad disobeyed his father and he worshipped Vishnu. Here you can see the Vishnu image. And instead of him, so what his father planned to kill him. Oh, now here, look at here student. The king asked his sister, Holika, to help kill Prahlad. Holika had a special clock that would protect her from fire. So she planned to trick Prahlad by taking him into a fire. So student, you know what happened? The king asked his sister. Whose sister? Prahlad's sister. What is her sister name here? Yes, her sister name is Holika. So Holika, uh, can you help me to kill Prahlad? And what Holika said? Holika had a special clock that would protect her from fire. So she planned to trick Prahlad by taking him into a fire. So what Holika planned students? Holika planned to take Prahlad with her in the fire, and that fire will help them, both of them, to be safe. Okay, because you know student, the Holika had a special clock that would protect her from the fire. Now here student, but because she was using her powers for evil, the plan failed and the clock flew from Holika and covered Prahlad. Prahlad was safe and Vishnu then defeated the evil king. So student, here what happened? Uh, you know, but because of she was using her power for evil, means she is using her power for the evil, the plan failed and the clock flew from the Holika and covered Prahlad. And now here Prahlad was safe and Vishnu then defeated the evil king. So student, today Hindus light bonfires on Holi to represent the triumph of good over evil. Sonu, but what about your clothes? Raj, huh, right. That comes from another story we remember. Now here, Raj, on the day of Holi, we have a big festival where people throw colored powder and water on each other to celebrate the love between Krishna and Radha. Sonu, that must be messy. So, student, here what the Raj is telling to Sonu, on the day of Holi, we have a big festival, okay, where people throw colored powder and water on each other to celebrate the love of between Krishna and Radha, because they used to play the this festival like Holi with the color and water. Now, Raj, in India, everyone gets involved. It doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, old or young. Yes, of course, what Raj is telling. In India, everyone gets involved in this festival. It doesn't matter someone belongs to rich, poor, old or young. No, everyone play this festival with happiness and enjoy and have a lot of fun. Raj. It's a day for everyone to forget bad feelings towards each other. Yes, of course, it's a day to forget all the bad things and start with a new one and to play this festival with each other. There is no fight, there is no nothing is there. We have to play this festival with the happiness. Here, Sonu, That sounds like fun. Raj, it is. We also get presents and eat sweets and spicy foods. Sonu, yum. Wow, what? Sonu is telling that sounds like fun. And what the Raj is telling, this is not only about the festival of colors and everything. No, on that day, on the present day, we eat sweets and spicy foods also. So here student, let us talk about what is Holi. Okay, Holi is a Hindu festival that celebrates spring, love and new life. Some families hold religious ceremonies, but for many Holi is more a time for fun. It's a colorful festival with dancing, singing, and throwing of powdered paint and colored water. So, Holi is also known as the festival of colors. So, student, yes, Holi is known as the festival of colors. Yes, what we do in this festival? Yes, in Holi, what we do? Yes, we celebrate how we celebrate the Holi festival with the dancing, singing and throwing powder, paint means colored and color bottle, different types, many types, like many colors we throw on each other. Yes, but it is dangerous also student. Okay, we don't have to color play with a pure color. Okay, with the powder color we can play it. Okay, and what is a Holi festival student? Yes, it's a Hindu festival that celebrates with spring, love and new life. Yes, and many religions, many people play Holi with their friends, with family members, with relatives, with neighbors, all of us, with happily. So student, when is Holi? Okay. Holi marks the arrival of spring and the end of winter. It is usually celebrated in March. So student, now in the year 2021, Holi will begin on Monday, it is March 29th. Okay. Yes students, Holi marks the arrival of spring and it comes at the end of winter, and it is usually celebrated in the month of March. So here, wow, how is Holi celebrated? On the first night of Holi, people light bonfires and throw roasting grains, popcorn, coconut and chickpeas onto them. The next day, people of all ages go into the streets for fun and paint throwing. Everyone gets involved. Hindus have fun by smearing each other with paint and throwing colored water. Holi celebrations in northern India. So student, you can see here in northern India how the people celebrate the Holi. Yes, with throwing the water on each other, throwing the colors with different types, like different color, green, yellow, then black, blue. No, black is not there, but sometimes it may be. So student, the colorful colors. Wow, it's so very good. And student, what happened? You know, the first night of Holi, people light bonfires and throw roasting grains, popcorn, then coconut and chickpeas into them. Okay. And the next day, yes, of course, all the different ages people come into crust and they play a Holi with the colors and with the water. Here student, what do the holy colors means? Some people believe that holy colors came from Krishna mischievously throwing colored water over his milkmaids when he was boy. This developed into the practical jokes and games of Holi. So student, where Holi is celebrated? Holi is mostly celebrated in North India, mainly in Barsana, where Lord Krishna was born. They celebrate this festival in a different way. They play a game called Lathi Mar. They enjoy Holi with lassi and colors. Yeah, yes, of course, student. Holi is celebrated all around our India. Not only Barsana, Banaras, whatever. Like in India, like we can see like in Mumbai, then Delhi, then wherever, etc. The people celebrated Holi with a happiness, yes, with enjoyable, they enjoy with lot of fun. And student, one of the most like uh, in a place like in our India place, the people celebrated some differently. Look at here. That place is Barsana, where Lord Krishna was born. They celebrated this festival in a different way. You know, see how they celebrated? They played a game that is called Lathi Mar, and they enjoyed Holi with lassi and colors. You can see, student here. Yes, Lathi Mar. It's very fun, like. Wow, what is this here? Yes, the sweet dish here. Yes, student? Sweet dish prepared during Holi. In India, there is no festival without sweets. Yes, of course. A festival is incomplete without sweets, so special Holi sweets are made like rabdi, malpoha, puran poli, and many more. So student, yes, of course, in India, the festival is incomplete without a sweet dish. Yes, of course. So student, if we know whenever the festival is there, of course, our mother made sweet at home to eat. So in the Holi festival, we can have like Rabdi, Malpoha and Puran Puli is the best, I can say. Yes, it's a very famous sweet dish, Puran Puli. And many more, those who want to make like that. So that depend upon them. So student, till now what we have learned? Yes, when is the Holi? Yes, how do we celebrate Holi? What are the sweet dish we made on Holi? Whatever like. So student, and the colors of Holi. So student, now you can see here the disadvantages of Holi. Means you should not waste water. You should not play with a pure color. Yes, of course, you have to play with a powder color. And it's colorful festival. So student, let us play with the colors, not with the water. Okay. So the disadvantages of Holi here. Artificial colors causes skin problems. Yes. And it causes water pollution as all colors get into nearby water bodies. So student, yes, I said you that we have to play with the powder color, not pure color. And of course, we should not waste water. It leads to wastage of water resources. Then the skin rashes, dry hair, scalp damage, then irritation of eyes, and overall fatigue and weakness will you will feel. Okay. So student here, now puzzle. Okay. So student, what you have to do is that you have to draw this puzzle in your notebook and you have to search this word. They are Holika, Vishnu, colors, sweets, Prahlad and water. You have to search these words in this puzzle and you have to mark that. Means you have to highlight with the colors. Colorful like holy color. Okay. Student, here you can see the answers were given, means the words were highlighted here. You don't have to copy that. We have to just check whether you have highlighted correctly or no. Okay. Signs of spring. Find and write each of this spring. It's below. Flower, bird, grass, rainbow, butterfly, tree, birds, insect, food, festival. So student, what you have to do is that find and write each of these spring items below here. Okay. See student, here the answers were given. Okay. Find and write each of these spring items below. Here the answers were given. Do not copy, check whether you have written right or not. Okay. Now here, match the following pairs. The column A and column B is given here. Okay. So student, column A, the first one, a day before Holi. Then the second one, distributing during Holi. Third one, game played in Barsana. Fourth one, what is harmful in Holi. And the fifth one, what is wasted in Holi. So student, here the column B, the answers were given. You have to match it properly. Okay, means you have to write the answer properly. Water, latimar, holika, sweets, colors. So whichever the answer is there, you have to write it that correctly. So student, here the answers were given of match the following pairs. Do not copy, only check your answer, and you have to post it in a WhatsApp group. Okay. So student, I hope everyone had understood the lesson and enjoyed also. Thank you.